Discover the enchanting geography of Samoa. Imagine a place where sparkling turquoise waters kiss pristine beaches and volcanic mountains tower over vibrant rainforests. Welcome to Samoa, a slice of paradise in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. Let's explore the unmatched beauty and diverse landscapes of this island nation. Samoa's two main islands, Upolu and Savai'i, offer contrasting yet equally stunning scenery. Upolu, home to the capital city Apia, features dreamy beaches and cascading waterfalls. Savai'i, the larger island, boasts untouched rainforests, lively coral reefs, and rugged volcanic terrains, a true escape for nature lovers. Samoa's volcanic origins have gifted it striking landscapes, including Mount Fa'afafine, its highest peak reaching over 1,800 sea meters. Explore lush rainforests alive with exotic flora and fauna, or soak up the tranquility of Samoa's crystal-clear lagoons, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. With its tropical climate, Samoa offers warm, sunny days year-round. Whether you're hiking to breathtaking waterfalls, snorkeling in coral-filled waters, or lounging on powdery beaches, this destination is the embodiment of paradise. Every vista is a postcard-worthy scene you won't want to forget. Ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? Pack your bags and let Samoa's natural beauty inspire your next adventure. Hit the like button, share this video with fellow travelers, and start planning your escape to this awe-inspiring island nation today. Samoa's wonders are waiting,